Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Britt Harris, and this mama, she need a nap. But before she go take her nap, she's gonna share with you, I'm talking to myself in third person, y'all, excuse me. I'm gonna share with you 6 ways that you can make money from home for free. Did you hear me? You can make coin without spending coin. And if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about ways you can make money from home. And if you didn't know, I've been working from home for about almost 12 years now. And everything you could think to do online, I've done it, except teach. I haven't taught anyone professionally. I mean, I've taught people, but not like English teacher or language arts teacher or math teacher. I haven't done that. But every other thing you can think to do online, I've done it. I've been scammed by the best, and I've also made some money online as well. Now, I've done customer service, I've done sales, I've sold things, I've done affiliate marketing, I've blogged, which I still do and love. I have been in MLMs. I have done it all. Y'all, I'm not lying. I've done it all. But today I'm going to share with you 6 ways that you can start making money from home today. And the first way would be to teach English online with VIP Kid. And y'all see me keep reaching. I have notes on my phone because I'm a mama of 4 and my brain is fried. So I keep reaching because I have my notes, and I do want to make sure that I'm providing you the best, most accurate information. So I do keep referring back to my notes on my phone to kind of keep my phone awake. Yeah. But the first way that I suggest would be to teach English online with VIP Kid. Now, VIP Kid is a trusted company who needs thousands of remote part-time workers to teach English online to children in China. You don't need to know any foreign languages. You don't need to know Chinese. You don't need to know Japanese. You don't need to know Taiwanese. You don't need to know any other language except English, which, if you understand me right now, you know English. The only requirements are any formal or informal teaching experience, such as mentoring, tutoring, coaching, or any alternative education. You must be eligible to work in the United States and Canada with English as your native accent. And you do need a bachelor's degree in any. So I will say this: you could be a psychiatrist and work for VIP Kid teaching kids English online. So you do need a bachelor's degree. You do need to be eligible to work in the United States or Canada, and you also need to have any informal or formal teaching experience. So if you've coached anybody or tutored anybody, which I'm pretty sure a lot of us have in high school, if that still counts, it counts. You're eligible. Okay, now the second way that I would suggest will to become a virtual assistant. Now, you can become a virtual assistant with no upfront cost. You can become a virtual assistant like right now. Get a domain, throw up a website, throw up your services, and you're good to go. Now, you can do a lot of things as a virtual assistant, but I would suggest that you kind of niche it down. You can manage someone's Pinterest account. You can manage someone's Facebook account. You can be a ghostwriter. You can do a lot of things as a virtual assistant. You can manage someone's email inbox as a virtual assistant and make money. However, like I said, I would highly suggest that you do niche it down. I mean, and advertise yourself. You have to advertise yourself. You have to put yourself out there to let people know. I know Pinterest, I would be more than happy to take that off of your hands for $15 an hour. Or I'm more than willing to work or manage your Pinterest account 3 hours out of the week for $20 an hour or whatever. Your choice, your business, running how you want. However, I do suggest being highly specific. Be specific about what it is that you're offering. Be specific about your prices. Be specific about what you're willing to do for this amount of money. Just create your plans. Be specific. Create packages. Be specific. I'm going to say be specific like 1,000 more times, because a lot of people don't understand that when you are a virtual assistant and this is your business, you have to be specific. Because if you say, I'm willing to manage your accounts for $40 an hour, and you don't know how many email accounts they have, you don't know how many Facebook accounts they have, how many Pinterest accounts, how many Instagram accounts, you don't know any of this, and they could literally give you 50 accounts to manage for $40 an hour. It's not worth it. Be specific. That is way more stress than anybody should take on for $40 an hour. I'm sorry. Just no. Don't do it. Be specific. Know what you're going to do. Lay it out clearly so that when they do pay you and they accept your service, or they hire you to be their virtual assistant for a specific service, they know exactly what you'll be doing, and so do you. So everybody's clear. Okay, now the third way that I would suggest making money from home would be with applied medical systems. Now, if you can type at least 70 words a minute, you're good to go. They have a lot of great, this is an actual job. They have a lot of great job opportunities all the time. And the fifth way, you know what? Maybe I need to go back to school, because how I skip all over 4? Y'all, excuse me. Now, the fourth way I would suggest making money from home would be to sell things online. My favorite is Poshmark. I love to sell my clothes and shoes and handbags on Poshmark because I set my prices, so I know I'm not going to be lowballed, and I know that Poshmark is going to pay me once the purchaser does receive their items. Now, you list your items on Poshmark with your specific price tag. A purchaser has the option to counter your offer or accept your offer as is. You also have the option to state in your listing, no counter offers. The bid is what it is. Once you accept their offer, Poshmark will there's my phone. Poshmark will email you a shipping label. You will pack the items, put the shipping label on it, send it off. It usually takes about 3 days to get to them. Once the purchaser does acknowledge receipt on the Poshmark app, the Poshmark will deposit your money. It's just that simple. And I like using Poshmark because I know that I'm going to be paid. There's no, well, we're going to wait this amount of time. No, because if they don't acknowledge receipt within 3 days, Poshmark is going to pay you. So even if they choose not to come back on the app and say, well, I got my stuff as a normal person, as a good human being would, Poshmark is still going to pay you. So you still get your coins either way. So win-win situation. Okay, and the fifth way that I would suggest making money online is to become an affiliate. Like I said, I have done it all. And affiliate marketing is not the easiest thing to do. However, is less time consuming, I would say. Other people might differ with me on that. However, I feel like affiliate marketing is less time consuming and a lot easier than network marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically just recommending. Like if you watched any of my other videos as far as my planning goes, me recommending Erin Condren planners to you is affiliate marketing, because when you click one of those links and you purchase that planner, or you purchase that pen, or you purchase that cover, I make a commission off of it, and they don't charge the purchaser anything extra. So it's basically like a kickback. You're basically advertising for that company, and they're paying you once your advertising pays off. So if I tell you, oh y'all, I got this nice Lancome lipstick from Sephora, and I only paid $5 for it. It's on sale. Here's the link. Click this link if you like it and you want to buy it. And if you click that link and you buy it, I get commission from it. And you know, you still paid your $5. So affiliate marketing is basically recommending a product or service from another company. And again, if someone purchases an item or service, you receive a small commission in return. And this is how a lot of my money online comes through affiliate marketing. Not necessarily from YouTube, but affiliate marketing all over the internet. There are a lot of places you can actually go online and advertise, but be sure to read the terms of service. Be sure not to spam. You know, go about it the right way. There's always Pinterest, there's Facebook, there's Reddit, there's Instagram. There's like so many different avenues, and you use those anyway, and you use products anyway. So why not make money from it if you can? I'm just saying. And the sixth way I would suggest would be to either start a blog or become a freelance writer. Now, starting a blog would take a lot more time to see a return on it. Now, you could start a blog today, but you wouldn't see any return from it tomorrow. That's just not how it works. Blogging is a long-term thing. However, the returns on it are ridiculous. You can definitely make, there are people earning $40,000 to $50,000 a month from blogging, and some earning more than that. I know Michelle Schroeder earns over $100,000 a month from blogging and affiliate marketing. So, and she just writes about finances and things, and you know, there are people writing about budgets that are making $40,000 and $50,000. There are people who just cook all the time and create food blogs that are making between $10,000 and $90,000 a month from a food blog. So if you have something specific that you want to write about, or that you like to talk about, that you thoroughly enjoy, I would suggest starting a blog. However, the returns aren't going to be instant. And I do want to stress to you that the returns on a blog aren't going to be instant. You're not going to make money within that first month. You may not even make money 3 to 4 months into your blog. However, being consistent, you will start to turn a revenue. And you have to advertise it. Again, you have Pinterest, you have Instagram, you have Facebook. You're on those all the time. Also Twitter. You're on those social media networks all the time anyway. So why not use them to your advantage? Why not use them to help you make money? And as far as if you like writing, so if you're considering blogging as an option, I guess you can consider this like a bonus. If you like writing as an option, then become a freelance writer. You can start working from home as a freelance writer, again, for $0. Unless you want to count the cost of your computer and your electricity, is basically free. And you can just, you know, write for various companies. There are a lot of places online that do hire freelance writers. You can definitely try Fiverr too. Fiverr is a place where people hire people to do things for supposedly $5, but I've gotten t-shirt illustrations made and I pay way more than $5. I've gotten logos for different companies made and I pay way more than $5. I got an entire Shopify site created on Fiverr. I didn't pay $5. I wish I would have though. That would have been awesome. However, I didn't. But that's neither here nor there. It was more than $5. But you can definitely go on Fiverr. People are hiring people on Fiverr to do things all the time. So you can definitely list yourself there that you're willing to write 500 words for $5, or you're willing to write 500 words for $25. Your packages, again, are your choice. And that's also if you want to be a virtual assistant as well. You can definitely go on Fiverr and list yourself there too. Now, as far as anything else dealing with work from home, I work from home as a chat specialist, and I blog and I do affiliate marketing. So I really have my hand in a lot online. So if you don't see me popping up all the time, your girl is working. Your girl is busy. Hence why this mama need a nap. Now it's about my nap time. So I do want to thank you all for watching. And if you watched through this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification over there to be notified when I do post new videos. I'm going to start posting videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'll have tips like this on how you can make money from home, productivity tips, how you can plan your week like a boss. And I'll have all of this coming up for you, and that's basically what I'm going to be talking about anyway from here on out. How to plan your week to get things done, how to be more productive working from home, and how you can make money from home. Yeah, your girl got time today. Your girl got time. So I want you to, you see these videos over here? Nope, over here and here. They're over here. These two videos that are over there, what I want you to do is I want you to click one. YouTube got one they want you to watch, but I got one I want you to watch too. How about you just go and click one? Learn something. Go. Why you still go? Click. Why you still here? Click one. Click one. Now y'all come on back now, you hear? Bye y'all.